Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish Cuisine, my desi kitchen with the western touch. Today I'm sharing the recipe of braided pizza bread. Beautiful braided top with yummy cheesy filling inside. A hint of pizza, that's why I called it pizza bread. Yummy and healthy recipe for school or after school snacks. So let's go and make it happen. So for this pizza bread, things we need will be some cooked chicken. I have this leftover chicken tikka pizza chunks which I used for my pizza yesterday. So I'll be using that. If you don't have it, just use the chicken tikka or any other chicken flavor which you like to add in your pizza. Then I have some chopped onions. Then I have some garlic and ginger. Cheese, you can use any kind. I'll be using a combination of Monterey Jack. And then I have a dough, chicken bread dough, which I already show you how to make it, and I'll leave the link down below. Some oregano leaves and some ketchup, and all the details and ingredients are in description box or on the link given below of my blog. First, heat the saucepan, add oil, and then add your chopped onions. Along with that, I added ginger and garlic as well, and then start cooking until the onion started to get soft and translucent. Now after that, I added my cooked chicken, but you can use the raw chicken as well. Just put the chicken and all your spices at this point and let them cook completely. Because my chicken is cooked, so I just added some tomato ketchup in that. Stir and mix until well combined. Here I add some crushed black peppers and little salt as well. You can add whatever seasoning you like to add in there. And yes, mix until everything is combined and cook for like a minute or two. And then transfer it into the another bowl and let it cool down completely before filling it. Now the assembling part. Take the ball of a dough and start rolling on a floured surface and shape it like a rectangle. Then take a sharp knife and make a slit along the longer side of the dough. Put the cooled filling in the middle. Sprinkle some oregano and some cheese. Now start bringing the topmost slit end across from each other alternately. Don't forget to alternate, and it should be like crisscross style. Now transfer it into a parchment paper lined baking tray. Brush the egg wash and sprinkle some sesame seeds and bake until you get a crisp top, 30 to 35 minutes. Right after come out from the oven, brush some butter and wrap it in the foil. It will keep your bread soft, and then it's ready to eat. So here's presenting a yummy and healthy pizza bread. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I'll try to make it happen for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you with another recipe. Don't forget to click on subscribe button so you don't miss any recipes or any updates.